My name is Charles Riggs.
Dr. Riggs?
But you better not say about lied. And be sure to call me Dr. Riggs.
Dr. Riggs.
Eliza?
Dr. Riggs.
Just go.
Room 24.
Eliza, just go and then tell them I'll be right there, okay?
Yes, sir, Dr. Riggs.
Thank you. Does your kid have a cold? If so, I have just the medicine for you.
Room 24.
Eliza.
Dr. Riggs.
Eliza.
Room 24.
Eliza.
Yes, sir, Dr. Riggs.
Tell them I'm waiting. No, they're waiting for me. I'll be right there.
Will do, Dr. Riggs.
Okay. Sorry, I freaked out. Rose and Oaks cough medicine. It has been manufactured for over a couple minutes now. Hold on. Hello?
Dr. Riggs.
Yes?
You're needed in room 24.
You're right there. Say it to me, okay? I'm gonna hang up and then tell it to me, okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Riggs.
Oh, hello, ma'am.
Dr. Riggs.
That was my wife, Dr. Massacre. Hold on. Yes, Eliza.
You're needed in room 24.
Eliza?
Yes, Dr. Riggs.
Stop, eh?
Dr. Riggs.
Eliza?
You're needed in room 24.
Eliza, please.
Yes, Dr. Riggs.
Stop.
Dr. Riggs.
Eliza,
Yes, Dr. Riggs.
get out of here now.
You're needed in
Go.
room 24. It's an
I'll smack you. You don't want me to put you in the closet again.
It's an emergency, Dr.
I still have the chains, and I will not give you the
Doctor,
key.
You're a doctor. You're not.
Hold on. You called me. Let me answer the phone. Stop it!
You're a doctor.
Anyway, it has been manufactured for over a couple minutes now.
Dr. Riggs.
And it has 3 great...
Dr.
What,
Riggs.
Liza? You're not fooling me.
Dr. Riggs, you're needed in room 24. Dr. Riggs.
Okay, Liza.
No, you're needed in room 24.
Liza.
Dr. Riggs.
Liza, okay.
Listen to me.
Liza.
Right now. You're needed in room 24.
Liza. I will lock you in the closet with the chain, and I will throw away the key,
I will
okay?
shoot you. I've done it before. I will do it again.
I'll tell you what. Let me finish this commercial.
We have no time to finish it. The person is in pain. He needs to take his flu shot.
Okay, let me finish this part.
Let him take his flu shot.
It's been manufactured for over a couple minutes
here, you know
now,
what?
and it has 3 great flavors. Cherry, grape, and stone. Okay, so I went to room 24. So if your kid has a cold, go and buy him or her a bottle of Roasted Oaks cough medicine. Side effects include death, explosions, a bad romance, and major finger shrinkage.
Dr. Riggs.
Whoa!